Now let's take a look at all those reports filed by our reporters from different parts of the country, different cities on the COVID situation and steps that are currently being taken in each of the respective states and the governments. Let's take a listen.
We are standing right now at the Karol Bagh market, which is one of the busiest market, and still the shops are not open, but the economic and commercial activities have started, and quite a crowded market it is, and still we can see that people are going for their work. There is no relentlessness in the people coming out from their home, but at the same time people are more cautious because a 2,000 rupees penalty has been fixed for non-compliance of even wearing mask or not following social distancing. So that is that we can see that's why the adherence to these rules are more visible now in comparison to a few days ago.
The number of corona cases continue to rise in what experts are calling the second wave. The government of Madhya Pradesh, to deal with it, have imposed several restrictions, including night curfew in several cities, and also are penalizing those who are not adhering to protocols, particularly those who are not wearing masks. In some cases, they are even being sent to jail. On the latest count, Madhya Pradesh right now has 1,90,044 total cases. Out of these, 1,78,117 have recovered and have gone back to their homes. But there are still 11,765 active cases, while sadly 3,162 people have lost their lives to this deadly virus. And according to experts, this second wave is more deadly than the previous one. And as a consequence, between 20 to 25% of the fresh cases that are now coming are going directly to the ICU. With Vijay Irshad Khan in Bhopal, Hemant Sharma for India Today.
Now, amid rising COVID-19 cases, Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh is sending those not wearing masks to temporary prison for about 10 hours. As many as 4,000 mask violators have now been sent to jail in the last 3 days itself. Here's what happened.
Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh has had enough of people walking around without masks. It has become the first city to send those not wearing masks to jail. The violators are locked up in temporary prisons for 10 hours after being tested for COVID-19.
The total cases of corona in Madhya Pradesh has already crossed 1,90,000 marks, and more than 3,000 people have been died with this virus so far. And this is the reason why district administration in several districts of Madhya Pradesh are now strictly taking action against the offenders of corona guidelines.
जब तक वैक्सीन नहीं आ जाती तब तक मास्क ही एकमात्र उपाय है। हम लोगों ने बहुत जागरूकता के अभियान अभी भी चला रखे हैं, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी जो लोग नहीं मान रहे हैं उनको हमने अस्थायी जेल में ले जाने की कार्रवाई करनी शुरू की है। उसका बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस है और उसका परिणाम आप देखेंगे कि लगभग प्रत्येक व्यक्ति आज शहर में मास्क के साथ ही रहता है।
The district administration has set up checkpoints at several locations across the city. Those without a mask are spotted, packed in a police van and moved to the closest temporary prison.
अब तक लगभग 4,000 से भी ऊपर लोगों के ऊपर इसमें कार्रवाई की जा चुकी है, और ये अभियान सुबह 9 बजे से चालू होता है और शाम के 6 बजे तक चलता है। इस अभियान में अब तक जो लोग जिनके टेस्ट हुए उनमें कुछ लोग पॉजिटिव भी आए हैं। अगर ऐसे लोग जो पॉजिटिव आए हैं उनको यहाँ से सीधे विशेष जो एम्बुलेंस है उसको, जो हमारे कोविड केयर सेंटर हॉस्पिटल है, उसमें वहाँ पर भेजा जाता है।
Before being released, the violators are made to take a pledge to abide by the COVID guidelines.
कोरोना जैसी महामारी के बचाव के लिए उनके नियमों का कड़ाई से पालन करेंगे और हम मास्क का हमेशा उपयोग करेंगे तथा दूसरों को भी यह बचाव की शिक्षा देंगे।
But even 10 hours in a lockup is not a deterrent for some.
आपने मास्क क्यों? आप तो पता ना खतरा।
अरे जल्दी थी, थोड़ा सा दिमाग से उतर गई। सॉरी सर, हमेशा याद रखती हूँ, पर्स में रहता है, मेरा पर्स आज हाथ में नहीं था इसलिए।
अरे सर मास्क तो पहन रखा था, मास्क तो पहन रखा। 3 जने बैठे थे, भैया की वाइफ की डिलीवरी है तो वहाँ जा रहे थे हम, जबरन ही रोक लिया।
कभी कभी उतार लेते, नहीं तो मेरा तो कंटिन्यू लगा ही रहता है।
अभी भी आपने नाक नहीं ढका, देखिए मास्क तो लूज है मास्क भी आप।
Madhya Pradesh has ruled out a complete lockdown, but Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has given a free hand to district administrations to crack down on people violating the general COVID rules. With Ravish Pal Singh in Ujjain, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.